In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales CRM in Asana. This concise tutorial is designed to help you set up a streamlined system for managing your sales process efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for free to create your account and join us on this fantastic journey of managing your sales. Now once you're logged in, it's time to set up your project. From your Asana dashboard, you'll want to click on Create New Project. Choose the blank project option, which gives you the flexibility to tailor the CRM to your needs. You'll need to name your project something intuitive like Sales CRM to keep things organized and easily accessible. Next, choose a view that works best for you and your team. Asana offers two primary views, List and Board. If you prefer a more structured approach, the list view is excellent. However, if you lean towards visual management and like the Kanban style workflow, then board view might be more your speed. Pick whichever suits your team's workflow better. Once your project is set up, it's crucial to define the key sales stages that will form the backbone of your CRM. In list view, this means creating sections such as lead generation, qualification, proposal sent, negotiation closed or won, and closed just lost. These categories will help you track each deal as it progresses through your sales pipeline. For each potential deal, you'll create a task in Asana. Think of each task as a sales opportunity that houses all critical information. In the task description, include details like the company name, contact details, estimated value, deal deadline, and any key notes or updates. This organization ensures you have all necessary information at your fingertips. To enhance your tracking capabilities, Asana allows you to add custom fields. These fields let you track important sales metrics such as deal value, deal stage, priority, and expected close date. Using drop-downs for deal stages or setting priority levels can help you quickly sort, filter, and report on deals, making your sales tracking process even more efficient. Collaboration is key in a sales team, so don't forget to add your teammates as task assignees or followers. This feature allows each team member to update tasks with comments, attach files, or provide status updates, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. To keep your sales process on track, make sure to set due dates for each sales stage. This helps ensure that deadlines are met and nothing slips through the cracks. As a bonus tip, take advantage of Asana's reporting feature. Create insightful dashboards that track sales metrics like the number of deals in each stage, total deal value, and progress toward your sales goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet concise guide to building a sales CRM in Asana. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in enhancing your sales management process. Thanks for watching and happy selling.